Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, EPSON EcoTank 4700. Now I'm going to show you how to refill containers with inks on this device. To do that, as you can see here, we have the cover of containers, and then here, as you can see, we have 4 containers, 4 tanks, and we can refill it. So to do that, you should buy brand new original EPSON inks, or you can use replacement inks, but for your model. So this is your inks model 104, so you can buy original 104 inks or replacement 104 inks. Okay, and here, as you can see, we have black containers, so you just should fill up the black container, then yellow, magenta and cyan. So here is the SMIC color system. It's not RGB, this is the SMIC color system, and using this color system your printer prints all colors you can print. That's it, thanks for watching, hope this video was helpful for you, bye.